3D printing, certainly. Here's some information about 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a revolutionary technology that allows objects to be created by building them layer by layer, using a variety of materials such as plastics, metals, ceramics, and even biological materials. The process of 3D printing typically starts with a digital 3D model created using computer-aided design (CAD) software. This digital model is sliced into thin cross-sectional layers, and then the 3D printer follows these instructions to build the object layer by layer. Each layer is fused together, resulting in a complete three-dimensional object. There are several different 3D printing technologies, each with its own unique advantages and applications. Some of the most common 3D printing methods include 1. Fused deposition modeling (FDM). This is one of the most popular 3D printing methods. It involves extruding a thermoplastic material through a heated nozzle, which then solidifies as it cools down, forming each layer of the object. 2. Stereolithography (SLA). SLA utilizes a liquid resin that is solidified using an ultraviolet UV laser or light source, selectively curing the resin layer by layer to create the final object. 3. Selective laser sintering (SLS). SLS uses a high-powered laser to selectively fuse powdered materials, such as plastics or metals, layer by layer to create the object. 4. Direct metal laser sintering (DMLS). Similar to SLS, DMLS employs a laser to fuse metal powder, allowing for the production of complex metal parts with high precision. 5. Binder jetting. In this process, a liquid binding agent is selectively deposited onto layers of powdered material, such as sand or metal, bonding them together to form the final object. 3D printing has a wide range of applications across various industries, including aerospace, automotive, healthcare, architecture, fashion, and consumer goods. It enables rapid prototyping, custom manufacturing, and the creation of intricate and complex geometries that are challenging or impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. As the technology continues to evolve, 3D printing is becoming more accessible and affordable, opening up new possibilities for innovation and creative expression. However, challenges still exist, such as material limitations, post-processing requirements, and the need for standardization in some areas. Overall, 3D printing holds great potential to revolutionize manufacturing and reshape the way products are designed, produced, and distributed in the future.